Welcome to the Winter Assembly, everyone. My name is Ben.
And I'm Maxwell. This is the first virtual holiday assembly, and the 8th grade Arts Council helped organize it. Ben and I are representing this group of 8th grade leaders who meet each other weekly to plan events like No Fear Friday open mic nights. We are all about supporting the arts at Gordon School and helping Gordon kids grow into amazing singers, actors, composers, artists, jugglers, whatever form of creative expression interests you. We've got a fantastic program prepared for you today, so let's go.
Thank you, 5th grade. That was beautiful.
Our next features are speeches by your student co-presidents, Will and Nia.
Hey everyone, welcome to the 2020 Winter Assembly. Hopefully we're able to meet in person in the spring or summer. First of all, for those of you celebrating Hanukkah, Happy Hanukkah. For those of you who celebrate Christmas, Merry almost Christmas. What's been really weird is that I celebrate both. I always light the menorah right next to the Christmas tree. But for everyone, Happy New Year. 2020 has been the most crazy year I've lived through. But in a weird way, it's been one of the best, most fun, and exciting years. All the way through 2020, I always kept a smile on my face, for the sole reason that I knew 2021 was coming. Now, just because it's about to be 2021 doesn't mean that coronavirus is over. It doesn't mean you should stop wearing your mask. It means that another year has gone by, a year where we have changed so very much. I hope that this year you had memorable experiences, a new thing you learned, and something you're proud of. We will all have stories from this year. Anyways, that's been it. I hope you enjoyed this break. I hope you enjoyed your snow day. Stay safe. Please, please, please remember to wear your mask. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Happy New Year's as well. Here's Nia Johnson.
Thank you, Will, for that inspiring message. I definitely know that I'm ready for break. This year has been really tough, but we pushed through and done an amazing job persevering. We all deserve this break, especially our teachers and staff who are working extremely hard and putting so much time into making sure that we can all stay safe and continue to learn during this pandemic. This break, I'm ready to spend more time with family and friends, along with getting to sleep in more and play more video games. It's only 2 more weeks until 2020 is over. We have a lot to look forward to in 2021, and I have a lot of hope. Despite coronavirus and every other crazy thing that's happened this year, I would definitely call it one of my best. I've grown so much as a person, and I've had such a fun year overall. I can't wait to see what 2021 brings, and I hope that you all have an amazing break. Thank you.
Thank you, Will and Nia. Now, a special introduction from the Arts Council. We will hear from our head of school at our third holiday season assembly with Gordon, Dr. Noni Thomas Lopez.
Thank you. Good morning, Gordon School, and welcome to our annual Winter Assembly. This is one of the most special gatherings of the year, usually because we have students from every division of the school, from nursery through 8th grade, celebrating the season and our community through music and song. But this year is even more special because we've had to find new ways to connect our community. And I'm so proud of the creative ways we all have come together over the course of this year and how we have come together today. As you know, we always celebrate courageous learners and compassionate leaders at Gordon School. And I have loved seeing the ways that every student in the building has embodied this theme alongside their teachers and our Gordon staff. Nursery, I've seen you compassionately learn how to keep on your masks, take turns, and share. Preschool, I've seen you courageously compose a letter to your collective favorite author, Robert Munsch, and he wrote you back. Young kindergarten, right outside my window, I've seen you courageously exploring bubbles and making some that are as big as you. Kindergarten, I've seen you be compassionate friends and look out for one another as you play in the mud and under the tents. First graders, I've seen you courageously write your small moment stories. And second grade, I've seen you courageously learn new ways to do the Gordon School song, and I've even danced a polka with you. In third grade, I've seen you compassionately take on a study of our nation's history, understanding whose voices have been erased from the American story and how we can play a part in rectifying that. In fourth grade, I've seen you year after year, and this year too, courageously advocate for your opinions by writing your first persuasive essay. Fifth grade, I've seen your compassion for our campus and our planet. Sixth grade, I've seen you compassionately lead our community in a food drive for the Rhode Island Food Bank. Seventh grade, I've seen you courageously completing your first novel, make your first film, and learn to salsa dance all in the same semester. In eighth grade, I've seen you demonstrate courageous learning by performing your Shakespeare monologues for one another and compassionate leadership for reading to our youngest students over Zoom. So, as I have done every year since I've arrived at Gordon, I'll end by sharing a thought inspired by my favorite holiday story, A Christmas Carol. For those of you who don't know this story, A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens is about a very rich and very mean old man named Ebenezer Scrooge. And on Christmas Eve, he receives visits from a series of ghosts who come to give him a chance to change his life. I won't give away the ending, but the first ghost that comes to Ebenezer is his old business partner, Jacob Marley. And let's just say that old Marley is not having such a great time in the afterlife. So Ebenezer tries to give him a bit of encouragement, and here's their exchange as written by Dickens. So those of you who don't know, I have been home for the past, I think, 10 days in quarantine. So I've been trying new things, and I'm going to try this one in a very bad English accent. Here it goes. Here's Scrooge. But you were always a good man of business, Jacob, faltered Scrooge, who now began to apply this to himself. Business, cried the ghost, wringing his hands again. Mankind was my business. Charity, mercy, forbearance, and benevolence were all my business. The deals of my trade were but a drop in the comprehensive ocean of my business. So I share those words in a very bad English accent because the list I shared at the beginning of my remarks demonstrates that in a year like no other humans on this planet have experienced before, you have been working hard, and your teachers and our wonderful Gordon staff have been working so hard this year. It takes a lot for us to put our masks on each day. It takes a lot of work to put up tents and take them down. It takes a lot to teach students inside and outside, on campus and at home. But the comprehensive ocean of your business, of our business, has also included kindness, generosity, forgiveness, patience, and from what I saw outside the hill, outside my window today, a great sense of fun. I'm thrilled and so relieved that a vaccine for this virus is on the way. But I truly believe that the ways in which we look out for one another, the ways in which we treat one another, the ways in which we care for one another will ultimately be the thing that gets us through all of this. And I'm grateful for the Gordon community for modeling this every single day. So as we leave one another at noon today, I wish you all, and I wish all of our friends and family, joy, peace, and love this holiday season and a restful and restorative winter break. Thank you.